Hello class! I hope you are happy today to see me, Boniface Chima, sitting in this same place, Den of Knowledge. You are welcome to English Language Class Primary 1. Now we are going to talk about a topic, present and past actions. Present and past actions. Present and past actions. Present and past actions. Now, what is present action? Present action is an action that we do presently. That action you do presently now is a present action. That one you are doing now. Present action is an action that we do now. That action you do now, we refer to it as present action. Yes, you are looking at me. Looking at me is present action. Even while you are talking, it is what? Present action. So anything you are doing now, we see it as present action. Okay? Do you know that if you are washing plates, it is a present action? If you are talking, it's a present action. While walking is a present action. Jumping is a present action. Anything you are doing now is a present action. And how many of you can dance? Yes, you are dancing. Is a present action. You are eating. Eating is a present action. If someone asks you, what are you doing? Say, I am eating. Eating is a present action. When your mother will be in the kitchen cooking is a present action. That's why I say she is cooking. She is cooking. What is your mom doing? My mom is cooking. My dad is working. You know, your dad works. So you say, my dad is working. Working is a present action. Now let's look at past actions. Past actions. What are past actions? Past actions are those actions that have passed. Those actions that have passed, we refer them toward past actions. Those actions that we have done before. When you want to refer to them, you refer to them as past actions because they are past. You are no more doing it. You did it before, so they are past actions. Can you remember those actions you did before? Yes, those actions are now past actions. Example, before you were writing. Now, you are no longer writing. So, when you want to refer to those ones you did before, you say, I wrote. You will not say, I am writing yesterday. No, it is wrong. You say, I wrote yesterday. Because wrote is now past action. When you, today in the morning, you were watching television, but now, it's noontime, so you say, I watched television in the morning. I watched television in the morning because it is not past action. Now let's look at how we can form words to become past actions. We can form words to become past actions through this simple way. Number one, by adding ed to some words. By adding ed to some words. Example, When you say work, work, if you add it ed, it becomes worked. Worked. Worked is now a past action because you have added ed to it. Another one. Talk. Talk. When you add it ed, it becomes past action, which is what? Talked. Talked. Another one is clap. When you add it ed, it becomes clapped. Now, this one, clap. Clap, if you add it ed, it becomes what? Clapped. But listen, in clap, if you want to change it to past action, you add another p to it. It becomes what? Clapped. It becomes what? Clapped. That is the past tense of what? Clap. Do you understand? Now, we have another examples. Another way of forming past actions. Present actions, past actions. Present actions, past actions. Now, we have another way of forming past actions. Like example, we have go. We have go. The past action of go is what? Went. Went. So you don't say, I go to market yesterday. No. You don't go to market yesterday. You say, I went to market yesterday. You don't say, I go to church 2 days ago. You don't go to church 2 days ago. You say, I went to church 2 days ago. Okay? Another example is run. Run. The past action of run is what? Ran. Ran. You don't say, I ran from the dog yesterday. No. You say, I ran from the dog yesterday. I ran from the dog yesterday. Another example is see. See. The past action of see is what? Saw. Saw. You don't say, I see an elephant yesterday in the zoo. No. Because that one is now past action. So you don't say I see. No, you say I saw an elephant yesterday in the zoo. Okay? Another example here is wake. The past action of wake is what? Woke. So you don't say, I wake up yesterday. No. You say, I woke up yesterday. I woke up yesterday. We have another example here. Come. Come. The past action of come is what? Came. Came. So you don't say, I come to your house. I come to your house yesterday. No. You say, I came to your house yesterday. So now you know present actions and past actions, and you can now change present actions to past actions. We are going to see next time in our next class, Den of Knowledge.